Theta United States dollar medium-term support certainly remained at 92 cents, which certainly is genuinely critical. The ongoing exchanging volume of Theta organization entirely is at $6,423,304, which sort of certainly is genuinely critical. Theta organization fundamentally is buy and buy esteemed at 61 cents. For the most part, bears control Theta's sort of current cost activities in a huge manner. 21 August 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time. Truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What essentially is actually quite momentary cost expectation for Theta organization. Is Theta a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner amazingly? Theta organization support and opposition levels and so forth in an especially quite enormous manner. However, prior to jumping decently in every practical sense, profound into the Theta specialized examination, for the most part, let us sort of truly discuss the extremely current economic situations in a kind of truly significant manner, which is very critical. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There sort of in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,047,585,515,720. All things considered, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume truly remains at $28,364,522,647 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they basically thought, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24% in a sort of significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum certainly fundamentally, has seen a value diminishing of 0.53%, coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours. Which basically shows that Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an exceptionally large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time period in an especially huge manner. XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP certainly is somewhere around 4.6. And as of now exchanging at 51 cents, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing that the sort of current exchanging volume of Theta organization explicitly is at $6,423,304, which for the most part is genuinely huge. These occasions by and large show that the market in every practical sense is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for genuinely present moment, exhibiting how Theta United States dollar medium-term support especially remained at 92 cents, in a for the most part significant manner Right now an entirely broad most certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense fundamentally has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized markers used to especially sort of recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way incredibly. Support explicitly truly is a level at which purchasers really become kind of more lovely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of additional appearance. How while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time period in a kind of huge manner. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers most certainly become move really dynamic and explicitly certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving basically higher in every practical sense, significant way, which is very huge. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, truly sort of is at 61 cents. down 2% in the very beyond 24 hours, and really has a value change of 19.52% over the course of the week in a sort of commonly significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially generally is 6,423,304.00 United States dollars, while fundamentally kind of absolute market cap came to $607,947,454 United States dollars, showing how Theta United States dollar medium-term support essentially remained at 92 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. There truly are very nearly 1 billion especially by and large are available for use out of 1 billion, kind of additional appearance how Theta organization truly is buy and buy esteemed at 61 cents. Bears control Theta's ongoing cost activities, which generally basically is very huge in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for 21 August 2023, inside a sort of everyday time span, basically made sense of beneath, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking incredibly. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal union and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving truly sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the Theta organization. Exhibiting that market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the outrageously whole cryptographic money market to $1,047,585,515,720 in a kind of huge manner. The Theta United States dollar moving sort of normal combination and difference, MACD, marker, certainly is showing a genuinely present moment essentially sell, most certainly signal, as the MACD line by and large is moving underneath in every way that really matters. Signal line which for the most part implies in every way that really matters, bears fundamentally are overwhelming on the lookout. So the genuinely all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $28,364,522,647, which in a real sense is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and in a real sense is attempting to especially generally break out of the negative zone, while featuring enormous negative strength, which certainly shows that RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29, and in a real sense, is attempting to sort of break out of the negative zone, while featuring huge negative strength. By and large in spite of prevalent thinking, the Theta organization generally has basically break all its fundamentally upholds levels, and things for the most part are not looking certainly great for the crypto market, exhibiting that Theta organization in every practical sense truly is buy and buy esteemed at 61 cents, bears control Theta's especially current cost activities, or so they basically generally thought in an unpretentious manner. As of now, explicitly certainly